Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear chat history in Moltbot AI. Moltbot AI is an advanced artificial intelligence assistant that allows users to interact through chat, generate creative content, and perform automated tasks efficiently. And it provides both text-based AI conversation and AI-assisted drawing feature. Moltbot is designed to enhance productivity, creativity, and communication by providing intelligent responses and tools. So in order to clear your chat history in Moltbot AI, it is very essential for maintaining your privacy, managing storage, or simply starting fresh with new conversation. And this video exactly provides a step-by-step guide to safely delete it. First, you need to launch your Moltbot AI app on your iPhone, Android, or desktop browser. And make sure to log in with your registered account credentials, ensuring that you're accessing the correct profile. And after that, navigate to the three-line icon in the top left. And once you reach into this, on the bottom you can see there's a setting. Select to the setting, and over here all the way to the bottom you can see there's a data icon, and just below it there's a clear chat history in the red font. What you can do is select to the clear chat history or delete conversation button here and select delete. And once confirmed, all the previous chat logs will be permanently removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.